It's Cherie with the AutoBuilder, and I'm here with Bill Stewart, the owner of the Absorber. How are you doing, Bill?
I'm doing wonderful. This has been a great show.
Yep, we're here at SEMA, and we're just going to talk a little bit about this drying product, the Absorber, which I have to tell you, I'm a big fan. I've been using him for years and years.
And we've been selling this product in the U.S. for 43 years.
Wow, that's longevity. Everybody
Long time.
loves your product. So tell me a little bit about the difference between your product and other products someone might find out there.
The company that manufactures this for us in Japan, they have a proprietary method of making the structure of this material so that it has the greatest attraction for water and that it is completely uniform all through it. So water just wants to be in, it'd rather be in this material than sitting on a surface.
Exactly, and I notice when I'm drying my car, this makes my paint smooth. It never leaves droplets anywhere. So what about, is this machine washable?
There's almost nothing that'll hurt this material. It stays clean by itself.
It really does. You rinse it out and it's good to go again.
Yeah, dirt doesn't want to stay in there.
Yeah, and it rings very easily.
Oh, nothing rings as easily.
So where can we find the Absorber? CleanTools.net?
CleanTools.net.
Okay, thanks very much.